Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Motorola VerveOnes with your iPhone. So to do this we have to twist that case and simply take off both earbuds. Alright, now we have to take a look for the indicators. They are located right here on the left side of each button of each bud. And as you can see in my case, the pairing mode it's not activated, so the indicators are not blinking. We have to enter the pairing mode manually, so we have to click and hold both buttons of the Motorola logo. Take a look for these indicators, they are located right here. And as you can see, one of it is blinking red and blue, so it means that it's visible to other devices. Let's put it close to our iPhone and then go to the settings. Open the Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Right now take a look for the other devices list and wait until they pops right here. Select them by tapping once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe to our channel.